Hi, this is Linda from homeschooling6.com, and today I wanted to share with you the very first reader from the thinking tree that corresponds with the Dyslexia Games, and this one's for level C, and it's book 1, The Blizzard of 1944, The Night God Reached Down from Heaven, by Dorothy Wallace Bass. True stories to light your way. So this is in that dyslexia font or dyslexia font. Great for your dyslexic reader. And I like how there's pictures like this. It kind of just breaks up the page so it doesn't overwhelm your child with 2 pages of all words. See, just something, even something that small, just kind of helps. At least with my boys it does. Like right here, it just kind of breaks it up a little. The illustrations are beautiful. Just kind of go through here. It's about 59 pages. In the back there's some thinking questions, and then also draw your own illustration to go with the story, which I think is neat. I could even use these pages to draw some more illustrations. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.